As a Jamaican, Sunday dinner is something that we all look forward to. Sunday dinner with your family. Rice and peas and chicken. Little coleslaw, the cabbage something up on the top. Little carrot juice. Sometimes you have 3 meat if you have money. Piece of fish over there, so maybe little curry goat, maybe little brown stew, beef, something. But we've always looked forward to Sunday dinner with the family. What I try to understand you now is, when did Burger Queen and Popeye and KFC become the place where Sunday dinner is served? You can't cook on the yard. Me understand you're not busy in a week. Because you're there at work and you just want to grab something real quick. But Sunday, when nobody now work, when did Jamaican tradition dead out that much that we start it with Sunday dinner at Burger King? You feed the picnic them pizza on Sunday? Really? You can't cook? Come on, man. Do better than that.